In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom password. Whether you're updating it for enhanced security or simply want a fresh start, changing your password regularly is a good practice. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring it's straightforward and stress-free. Alright, first things first. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoom website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button or label that says My Account. Go ahead and give that a click. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Zoom account. Once you're on your account page, locate the menu on the side or towards the top that says Profile. Click on Profile. Here, you'll find all the details related to your Zoom account, such as your name, profile picture, and the focus of today's session, your password. Now you'll need to scroll down the profile page until you find the section labeled Password. This is where you can make the changes we're talking about. Take your time to navigate through, and if you're unsure, a little patience goes a long way. Once you spot it, there should be an option nearby labeled Edit. Clicking here will allow you to change your password. Entering this section, you'll be prompted to type in your current password. This is an important step as it ensures that only you can access and make changes to your account. Go ahead and carefully type your current password. If your device supports it, use the Show Password option to confirm you've entered it correctly, just to avoid any hiccups. After entering the old password, you're going to type in your new password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. Make sure it's something memorable for you, yet challenging for others to guess. Again, utilizing a Show Password function can be very helpful in ensuring everything is typed just as you intended. Once you've got that new password typed in, you're on the home stretch. Double check everything one last time to confirm accuracy. When you're satisfied everything looks good, find the Save Changes button on the page. Click it to finalize the update. And it's that simple.